Hello everyone, my name is Devashish Padhi. Today we'll discuss the ongoing series of your Java, and today's topic is Java coding standards. What is generally Java coding standards? In this topic we will discuss how to write the class, how to write the methods, how to write different functions, or you can say that what are the different rules for writing the classes, interfaces, methods, variables, constants, like that. How can I write class, interface, methods, variables, constants? So in this series we will discuss first how to write the classes, that means coding standard for classes. Coding standard for classes means how to write different names for the classes. So first I can say that class is nothing but group of data members and member functions. Class is nothing but group of data members and member functions. So like in C++, you can write the classes here, but the main difference is C++ does not follow any coding standard for writing the classes, but Java follows some coding standard for writing the classes. So what is the coding standard? In Java, you can write the class name that should start with uppercase character, and if it contains multiple words, every inner word should start with capital letter. What is the meaning of this point? In Java, every class name's first letter should be capital letter. Okay, should start with uppercase character. First letter must be in uppercase. And if the class name contains multiple words, if the class contains 2 words, then every inner word should be capital. Let us give the example of the class name. Let us consider I can create one class as a string. So in string, S must be capital. Let us consider system is a class. In system, S must be capital. Let us consider test is a class. So in test, T must be capital letter. Let us consider add is a class name. In add, A must be capital. Let us consider string buffer. See, string buffer is a class name. Okay, it contains 2 words. One is string and another is buffer. So every inner word should start with capital letter. Inner word means this is the first letter, must be capital S. Inner word means buffer is another word. In string buffer, 2 words are there. One is string, second one is buffer. So first letter of inner word, that is B, must be capital letter. S must be capital letter, B must be capital letter. Another class name is test demo. It contains 2 words. One is test, second one is demo. So T must be capital and inner word D must be capital. So what is the conclusion of this point is every class name starts with capital letter. If I can write a class in Java, then first letter must be capital letter. If my class name contains two words, every inner word must be capital. This is the inner word. In string buffer, buffer is the inner word. So B must be capital. In test demo, demo is the inner word. So D must be capital. Okay. So every class name first letter must be capital letter. If I can write in small letter, compiler will give an error message. Okay, so this is the coding standard for classes. Next, coding standard for methods. Methods means functions. In C and C++, you can say that is a function, but in Java, the same function is called as methods. So how can I write the methods? Usually method names are verbs and should start with lowercase alphabet. Okay, always remember, every method name starts with lowercase alphabet. And if it contains multiple words, then every inner word should start with uppercase character. Okay, what is the rule for methods? Every method name should start with lowercase letter. If method name contains multiple words, every inner word must be capital letter. Let us consider println is a method in Java. So P must be small. Run is a method name in Java. R must be small. Sleep is a method in Java. S must be small. Eat is a method in Java. So E must be small. But getName is also a method in Java. But getName contains two words, get and name. First letter must be small letter because it is a function. And inner word must be capital. N is must be capital. Get name. Two word is there. Get and name. G is small because it is a method. But name is in name, N must be capital. And no space between get and name. Okay. So what is the coding standard for method? Starts with lowercase alphabet. And if contains multiple words, every inner word must be capital. Next, coding standard for variables. Normal, every variable must start with a lowercase letter. Usually, variable names are nouns and starts with lowercase alphabet symbol. Variable name must start with lowercase alphabet symbol. And if contains multiple words, then every inner word should start with uppercase character. Okay. Name is a variable name. N must be small. Age is a variable name. A must be small. Address is a variable name. A must be small. Mobile number is a variable name, but it contains two words, mobile and number. So every inner word must be capital letter. So M is small, N is capital. Okay. So in case of variable name, every variable name must start with lowercase alphabet symbol. And if it contains multiple words, every inner word must be capital. Then what is the coding standard for writing the constant? Usually, constant names are nouns and should contains only uppercase character. And if it contains multiple words, then these words are separated with underscore symbol. Okay. Always remember, constants are always written in capital letters. If it contains two words, then these words are separated by underscore symbol. See, max underscore value is a constant. All are written in capital letter, but there are two words are there. Max and value must be separated by underscore symbol. Mean underscore value, all are written in capital letter, must be separated by underscore symbol. Norm underscore priority, constant. Name separated by underscore symbol, all are written in capital letter. Max underscore priority, all are written in capital letter, must be separated by underscore symbol. Okay, so these are the coding standards for writing classes, methods, variables, and constants. What are the rules for writing the class? Every class name's first letter must be in capital letter. If it contains multiple words, every inner word must be capital. What is the rule for writing the functions or methods? Every method name must start with lowercase letter. If it contains multiple words, every inner word must be capital. Rules for writing the variable. Every variable starts with lowercase letter or small letter. If it contains multiple words, every inner word must be capital. What is the rule for writing the constants? All the constants are written in capital letter, and if the constant contains multiple words, every word must be separated with underscore symbol. Okay, thank you.